Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 3 questions.
I will give just solve these 3 questions, then I will be moving further with other questions. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
To solve these questions.
Good morning, ma'am.
निकाल दिए क्या? Is it completed? Is it completed? Is it completed? Everyone, is it completed? I'm asking you people only.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the first? Find out the valency of the atom represented by the figures. Very easy. You have to just see the diagram, and you have to send the valence shell, and you have to find out the valency. Okay. So I will be asking you, Agam.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the valency of the first one? What is the valency of the first one? You said you people have solved. Agam. Rishika, I got your answer, beta. How can be? Krishika, just check the outermost shell. How much it is? Electrons are there. Krishika. Vanchika, correct. Bhumi also. Krishika, check. Manan, I got your answer. Very good. Correct. Agam, I am asking you beta something. Are you able to answer? Agam, are you able to
No,
answer?
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
You should tell now, then I will explain. This concept which I am telling, is it clear to you or not? How to find out the valency, how to find out the nature of the metal element? Is it clear or not? बेटा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम एक ही चैप्टर आपको आ रहा है, आप मान के चलो कि इसमें से क्वेश्चंस तो बनेंगे ही बनेंगे, एटलीस्ट 5-6 मार्क्स का तो इसी से आ जाएगा. Yes, Manan, can you explain us? Manan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain us the answers which you have found? Your answers are correct. Can you explain us?
Ma'am, जो last
First talk about this.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, since in the outermost shell there is 8 electrons,
Yes.
therefore it is stable and valence is 0.
Yes, that only I was asking. अब देखो, if you are having suppose you are having a 2 marks question, 1 marks can be of valency, 1 marks can be of reason. Like this particular diagram I will give you suppose, and I will ask you what is the valency and what may be the reason of that particular valency. उस valency का reason क्या है? तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि इसकी 0 valency इसलिए है क्योंकि इसका octet complete है. Okay. Next about the next element. Who can anybody explain? Bhavik.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain me about the second one.
Ma'am, -1.
Why -1? How much is the valence electron here, beta? How much is the valence electron?
Ma'am, 7.
7. If valence electron is more than 4, what we are doing?
Ma'am, we will subtract
From?
the 8 minus number of valence electrons.
So 8 minus valence electron, how much it will be?
1.
It will not be -1. It will be 1. Valence देखो, आप लोग चार्ज लगाते हो तो प्लस माइनस, मैं आपको पहले से ही क्लियर कर दे रही हूँ. चार्ज जो होते हैं वो प्लस माइनस, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन या लूज करने पे चार्ज लगता है. वैलेंसी जो होता है, कैपेसिटी जो रहती है वो प्लस माइनस नहीं होती। समझ में आया? जब भी कोई आपको वैलेंसी पूछेगा तो उसमें प्लस लगा माइनस लगा के मत बोला करो, वो वैलेंसी है, वो चार्ज नहीं होता उसमें। बट इफ एनीबडी इज आस्किंग यू द चार्ज ऑफ द एटम, जैसे अगर सपोज इसी एलिमेंट का मैं आपसे पूछूं इसका चार्ज क्या होगा, इट विल मेक अ कैटायन और इट विल मेक एनायन, एंड व्हाट विल बी द चार्ज, देन यू कैन से इट इज -1. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? करेक्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Aryan. Aryan. Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the question number 23.
While
Explain it.
नहीं पता मैं।
Why so? ये चीज मैं आपको कितने बार कराऊं बेटा, आपको फिर भी आप लोग नहीं आप समझ पा रहे हो। खुशी. खुशी. खुशी, are you there or not? No. Hiteshi. Hiteshi. Harit.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain me the question number 23, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, since isotope have similar atomic number,
Hmm.
so number of electrons will be same.
Hmm.
Since number of electron is same, therefore they
Yes.
will have
Good
same
morning,
electronic
ma'am.
configuration.
Correct. Good. Very good.
So they will show similar chemical properties.
Correct. Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishika. An element X has valency 3 plus. This will
Ma'am, please repeat 23 question
huh?
once more time. Ma'am, please repeat 23rd answer. Question 23rd answer.
Because atomic number is same, so number of electrons is same. And if number of electrons is same, what will happen? Valence electron will be same. Valency will also be same. Nature will also be same. Isn't that? That's why it will show similar chemical properties. Clear? Hai? Understood? You can see the answer. I have given already the slide on the portal. You can check it from there. Just see this. You can see isotopes have same atomic number, the same number of electrons. Therefore, they have same electronic configuration, which provide them similar chemical properties. Okay.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
through the slides on the portal. This I have given already on the portal. Okay. Next, Labdhi. Labdhi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer the question number 24, first part, A part? Question number 24, A part.
I don't know.
Why so, Labdhi? You don't know the form ions or what? Shori is not there. Only attendance for attendance they are coming. Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me question number 24? A part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
X3P3.
X3P3. Correct. Good. Very good. Very nice. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha.
Second.
Sneha Jain will tell the second B part. Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, can you tell me the B part, beta?
Ma'am, which one? Ma'am, I
B
just
part.
joined the class.
Question number 24, B part. Question number 24, B part. Yes, Sneha, are you there or not, beta? Correct. Very good. Harit, very nice. Keep it up. Nice. Only one person has given me reply till now. No, Bhumi. One silly mistake you have done. Check it. Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
write the formula of its a carbonate. Can you tell me the answer?
Carbonate. And carbonate thrice, whole thrice. CO2, CO3 whole thrice, and valency of carbonate.
What you have to do? You have to do cross multiplication, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so carbonate's valency will be 3.
Carbonate's
Yeah.
valency will be 3.
Ma'am, like when we'll cross multiply.
So what will be the subscript of X? Subscript मतलब base में लिखा जाता है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, don't know.
Priyansh. Harit, to correct, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Manan, silly mistake you have done. Please check it. Better tell me the answer of the B part. Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
No, ma'am.
I asked you what is the formula of the compound. एक एलिमेंट दिया गया है जिसकी ऑलरेडी आपको वैलेंसी पता है क्या है x इसका 3 है वैलेंसी. Element is having already the valency it's plus 3. That means charge will be 3 plus 3. And carbonate आपको पूछा गया है तो carbonate उसका -2 होता है charge. So here it will be -2. When you will do cross multiplication, what will happen? What it will be? X2 CO3 twice. Is it clear? X thrice, sorry. X2 CO3 twice. Is it clear? After cross multiplication, it will become X2 CO3 thrice. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This way you will find out the formula. Okay? Understood? Before moving to the next part of your slide and revision, one thing I have to tell you, you all know that yesterday only you got to know that from CBSE you have to make one project and the time limit has been given up to 30th January. Okay? Are you able to listen?
Which project?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
project has to be made.
Yes, ma'am.
Project means written you can make. It is not necessary that you will make a big model and you will tell extra, spend extra. But you have to make one project and project should be art integrated. Okay. And art integrated means something you should do new innovation or innovative, you will do some research or something like that. So what here you have to do in chemistry, I will be relating your elements and compounds chapter with your project work. But it should be little bit modified. Like you have to do the comparative study of mineral resources of
मैम ये प्रोजेक्ट है.
yes.
मैम एक बार फिर से बोलना.
आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट है बेटा एंड मैंने एक टॉपिक उठाया जिसमें आपको स्टेट की स्टडी करनी है और छत्तीसगढ़ का पेयर स्टेट है गुजरात. बोर्ड से पेयर स्टेट आते हैं जैसे केरल का हिमाचल प्रदेश है वैसे ही हमारा छत्तीसगढ़ का मतलब पेयर स्टेट है गुजरात. तो यू हैव टू डू द कंपैरेटिव स्टडी this means mineral resources of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. Okay, mineral resources of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat you have to do and try to focus only then on elements, compounds what are founds are there, because in your exam, in your course, you are having elements, compounds, pure substance, impure substance, you are having now. So in that elements you will be covering metals and non-metals part. So in that minerals and resources focus, which type of metals resources are there in Chhattisgarh, which types of metal resources are abundant in Gujarat, ना? And सबसे ज्यादा क्या मिलता है छत्तीसगढ़ में, what is excess in Gujarat, like this. Understood what I told? Is it clear to
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
have
if we
to
compare 2-3 minerals, then it is okay.
yeah
Yes, ma'am.
comparative study
If
of
we com-
mineral resources of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat, not any other state. Gujarat. Is it clear?
Ma'am, if we compare 2-3 minerals, then it is okay.
बेटा आप कंपेयर 2-3 मिनरल्स ऐसे नहीं करना है, मिनरल्स को कंपेयर नहीं करना है आपको। जैसे आप एक लगाओगे कि छत्तीसगढ़ का लिखोगे कि छत्तीसगढ़ का ये क्वालिटी है, मिनरल रिसोर्सेस यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे ये ज्यादा मिलता है, ये एलिमेंट उसमें ज्यादा पाए जाएंगे, जैसे आयरन हो गया, गोल्ड हो गया, जो भी है, मैं एग्जांपल बता रही हूँ सपोज, ठीक है, आप ऐसा लिखोगे। फिर यू विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, मिनरल रिसोर्सेस ऑफ गुजरात, देयर यू विल राइट द ये सोर्सेस है, यहाँ पे इतने ज्यादा, ये इस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में इतने ज्यादा ये एलिमेंट्स मिलते हैं, इनका सिंबल ये है, इनका मास ये है, इनका एटॉमिक नंबर ये सब है, लाइक दिस यू विल मेक। अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई टोल्ड? आपको ऐसे टेबल बना
Yes,
के,
ma'am.
इसका टेबल बना के यहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ है, ये गुजरात, ऐसे लिखने मैंने नहीं बोला है। आप जैसे एक नॉर्मल प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो वैसे ही बनाना। Only the thing you have to do, what you will do, you will just make a project. First, either you have wished, first you will discuss the mineral resources of either छत्तीसगढ़ and गुजरात। एक स्टेट को पहले डिस्कस करो कि यहाँ पे ये स्टेट है, इसका क्लाइमेट ऐसा है, इसका वेदर ऐसा है, यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे जगह पे ये मिनरल रिसोर्सेस मिलते हैं और इसमें ये ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स मिलते हैं, ठीक है, बस खत्म। Then we will move to the mineral resources of Gujarat. Then we will discuss the Gujarat is the like this at Deccan part of the India, and here this is the climate, and this type of resources are abundant, and this type of elements are found in Gujarat, and where they are found. Like जैसे अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ छत्तीसगढ़ का, तो रायपुर में थोड़ी खदान है, isn't that? Mineral resources are not in here in your particular area. कौन से एरिया में कौन से मिनरल का ज्यादा, तो थोड़ा प्रोजेक्ट भी थोड़ा एक्सपांड होगा, क्योंकि पेज दिखाने, समथिंग शुड बी देयर इन द प्रोजेक्ट, isn't that? Only one page you can simply modify and what you can reduce it. Is it clear?
Ma'am, this is of science or only chemistry?
It is for chemistry. अब you that physics and bio you have to see, इसलिए मैं बोल रही ज्यादा, I don't want this much big file. Some people what do, they make a big this much history geography file. I don't want that. Okay, simple project topic will be comparative study of mineral resources of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. आप नॉर्मल एक प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत कैसे करते हो? कंटेंट, इंडेक्स, नेम, फ्रंट पेज आपका रहता है नॉर्मल। हाउ यू आर स्टार्टिंग, दिस टाइप ऑफ द वे you are starting, isn't that? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of
Yes,
normal
ma'am.
page,
Yes.
normal. This first page your introduction, then your index, then your content, then you will move to the what mineral resources. So first something you will write about in mineral resources, that what are mineral resources, what are India is abundant in which part, introductory part. Then you move to the
Ma'am, we have to make chart or file.
file you make, better.
Ma'am, PPT.
Not file you make, that will be much better. Okay.
मैम तो हमको फाइल की फोटो खींच के भेजनी है।
एक काम करती हूँ, I will just tell which will be better, because PPT और file I will tell in the Monday's class, but this is a topic. अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You should, if you are having time, spare time, then you go on researching this work, that is you can do, but you have to touch this part after PT2, because you have to do your revision for PT2, and first focus on PT2. After PT2 only I will ask for this, not now. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
PPT चलेगा मैम?
After PT2 only I will be asking this, not now.
ओके मैम, पीपीटी चलेगा ना? फाइल नहीं बनाऊंगा तो?
नो पहले मैं कंफर्म करके बताऊंगी आपको.
मैम सारे सब्जेक्ट में पीपीटी बना रहे हैं, सारे सब्जेक्ट में.
एक बार मुझे कंफर्म कर दो बेटा फिर भी, because I will just because physically आप तो आ नहीं रहे हो, तो पीपीटी ही ज्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन है. Okay, you make PPT, that is much better. All of you make PPT.
ओके मैम.
PPT
Okay,
बनाओ,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
इसी से PPT बनाओ, और जितना अच्छा बना सकते हो उतना मेरे को बना के दे दो. Is it clear? Or not now, after PT2
Yes, ma'am.
only, 30th January is the time. लास्ट डेट 30th जनवरी PT2 के बाद ही मैं टच करूंगी इसको. अभी आपको कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं करना. यू फोकस ऑन द PT2 योर एग्जाम. आफ्टर PT2 ओनली फोकस ऑन दिस. ऐसा नहीं है कि घर में शुरू हो गए मैडम प्रोजेक्ट बोली है, वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ओनली ऑन प्रोजेक्ट, वी विल नॉट स्टडी. इज इट क्लियर? I don't want to see
Yes,
any.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Don't want to hear sir any such complaints like this कि बच्चे पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, ये क्या है, all that. Now next,
Okay.
an element Z forms the following compound when it reacts with hydrogen, chlorine, and phosphorus. Okay, what is the valency of the element Z? This will be answered by Mudit. Mudit. Mudit, are you there? Mudit, are you there? No. Sanyam. 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 What you people are doing when I am asking the question? आप simply बोल सकते हो मैम नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. Anything you can reply, but don't sit like this. I hate this most. Rishabh. Rishabh, again you have missed the class or what? Rishabh, I'm talking to you. No reply. Raghav.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, a general instruction to you all. When I'm entering the class, if you, I don't want to see you like this. I will be just start calling your parents. What is the reason why you are not there? Similar, Sanyam, Manvi, Molly, Shaurya. You are there in the class, but you are not at all replying. Should I call your parents? Then only you will understand or what? I will ask your parents what is the reason. Rishabh, same goes to you. When you are attending the class, please attend. If you don't know the answer, doesn't matter. Just tell me, madam, nahi aata. We will discuss in the class. Just better reply this question number 25th part. What is the valency of the element Z?
Ma'am, 1.
Where 1 is the valency of? How you got to know the 1 is the valency?
Ma'am, in ZH3, hydrogen's valence is 1. Ma'am, 3. Oh, yes, ma'am, sorry, 3.
Valency of Z is 3.
Yes, ma'am, because H.
Yes,
H3
correct.
is
Now
there.
you got the hint ना. अब हाइड्रोजन की भी वैलेंसी 1 है, क्लोरीन की भी वैलेंसी 1 है. जब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, then what will happen? The valency of Z will be 1. Okay.
1. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
तो मैंने आपको पहला आपको दिया था यहाँ पे ZH3 is the first hint which has been given to you. ZH3, तो ZH3 तो फॉर्मूला बनता है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से बनता है, यानी कि ये जो 3 जो है ये किसका रहा होगा? Z का रहा होगा और हाइड्रोजन का तो 1 होता है वैलेंसी. So when you will cross multiply, then only you will get ZH3. Isn't that? So the valency of Z is 3 here. Okay, the valency of Z is 3. Now the question is asked whether it is a metal or non-metal. Whether it is a metal or non-metal. Okay, so what will be that?
Metal. Metal.
Metal. जिसकी भी valency 4 से कम होगी, they are metals. Remember that. The elements which are having less than 4 electrons in the valence shell, they all are metals. Is it clear? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब यहाँ पे देखो ये. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए अब आपका मंडे व्हेन यू विल कम, तो आपको मैं अभी ये जो दे रही हूँ इसको अभी मैं स्टॉप कर रही हूँ. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में फोकस करेंगे. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास व्हेन यू विल कम, you will learn about ions. Ions से related जितने भी क्वेश्चन है, what are ions, what are polyatomic ions, है ना, what is the symbol of any particular diatomic, tetratomic, ऐसा कोई भी ions का symbols आप, even you are having one what you can say, you are having one list of ions in your class, isn't that? The textbook chapter. You are having that or not? Please reply, respond. Are you able to see that slide on the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
No, ma'am.
Screen share is off.
Yes, ma'am.
This slide is visible to you now, na?
Not yet,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
slide
Folder is
नहीं दिख
visible.
रही है.
Slide नहीं दिख रही है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So from here, from this slide here, can atom exist independently? यहाँ से लेके आपको पढ़ना है atomicity, molecule, and then you have to go up to the formula preparation. This much you have to do. Okay?
Yeah.
This slide, अगर आप slide खोल रहे हो तो slide खोलो या textbook खोलो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, what you have to do? You have to start from here. Can atom and exist independently से लेके you have to do up to the formula preparation. This is the last part. How to write a formula of the compound. Up to here, you have to complete. Next class, I am not going to ask you about isotope and isomer. I am going to discuss with this only. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
आप
ma'am.
you have to go through this nicely. इसमें 1 mark question जैसे कि मैंने आपसे पूछा है कि 1 mark questions you can be either having formula, prepare the formula of calcium chloride, prepare the formula of calcium phosphate, or I will ask you an element is having charge +2, what will be the formula of its chloride, like this. Okay, then the definition part, valency, compounds, cation, anion, polyatomic ion, give an example of a polyatomic ion. Like this, you can have the question. Okay, is it clear? Similar way, molecules. What is atomicity? What is atomicity? Give an example of diatomic, monoatomic molecules. Like this, you will have the question. Done? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So these questions you will have. In this way, you will solve the next one. And project, I'm telling you again, you don't have to do it now. After the PT2, I will collect, make it in the PPT form. That will be much better. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have taken your extra time. I will not continue with that because it is already 9:36. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
So
ma'am.
next class, we will continue with the can atom exist up to the chemical formula preparation. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
okay. I will end the class here now. Good day, all of
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Good day, all of you.
Good day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Beta. Thank you.